Don't touch himself, boys out there in the public touching himself. Don't touch himself, boys out there in the public touching himself.
Oh, you ever think about how much you use your fucking phone? And typically, that's probably the one thing tracing and leading to your untimely demise. It's a beautiful fucking thing. Guess what? They give you a push notification for it. They might allow you to go outside your network, but on your timeline, doubt it. It'll be recorded, so don't worry. Something you probably did that you don't want to remember. It's been documented. I'm sure it's been recorded and more or less put to HD format. But that's the beauty of it. Whether you're Chinese, Japanese, Mexican, Blackie, I don't know, whatever kind of Muslim, chances are we're probably watching you do it. And it's fucking creepy, I think. I remember the time whenever, I could beat off in public and probably not get arrested or not even batted by, and I wasn't even alive in those times. I want to say it's the dawn of innocence, maybe, but what the fuck's innocent anymore? Not you. Sure as fuck not me. Your kids? Ha! Oh, man, that's the sad thing. That you probably want to think that. But look where you came from. And then ask yourself, sad. I'll shed a tear for you later. I doubt it, though.